Hey, Lou here from RV Habit. We're at the 2026 Florida RV SuperShow, and I've got a great unit to show you. This is Geneva. She's going to explain it all so it can do it justice. I can't. Go ahead, Geneva.
Thanks so much, Lou. Yeah, so we're here with the Bowlus Endless Highways Frontier Edition. And, you know, the top three things about Bowlus, it's super lightweight, made for off-grid use, and really high-end. So you'll appreciate from this beautiful tail that we're standing next to. We use all aircraft-grade aluminum on the outside, aircraft-grade rivets, over 5,000 of them, which are all hand-bucked. And that creates this really beautiful shape with that pointed tail in the back, and of course the door on the front, which is also very unique.
Very good.
So as we take you forward, that we have integrated Starlink on the roof, and so really great for being off-grid while being still connected. Everything we do is going to really be made with off-grid in mind. We have a cassette toilet system, again chosen for that ease of off-grid use. Toilets, porta potties, of course sewer cleanouts, dumping it out.
This is what gets me. I love this.
Yes.
Yeah, so
this
you
is
just explain it.
Aero Move, and these are motors that engage against both wheels and now enable you to maneuver the Bowlus with a handheld remote. So you can go forward, backward, and also spin the Bowlus. You can maneuver into a tight area next to your home, tight campsite, no spotter needed.
Fantastic.
Just makes it easy.
Fantastic.
We also have all brass screens on all of the windows, so those wear really well as are very secure. Outdoor storage down below. The outdoor table here, which is removable and also goes inside on the sofa side so that you can dine for. The Bowlus can sleep 4 people, or dine for 2 beds in the living room, couch and dinette that both convert, and then the separate bedroom in the back. And that separate bedroom can be converted between twins and kings, so it gives you a lot of flexibility.
Super. Is this a 30 amp or a 50 amp?
30 amp.
30 amp.
And everything inside can also run off 15, so our air conditioner can run off 15. Meaning that you can use a small generator,
yeah, that's great.
2200 watt if you're off-grid, or even at a friend's and family's home, you could just plug into a standard outlet. So it makes it easy to adventure, and that's how we think about everything to do. We want it to be easy to adventure. So up here you'll see no weight equalization, no anti-sway. The Bowlus is balanced. It has a hitch weight between 200 to 400 pounds depending on how it's loaded, and so it makes it really easy to hitch up and obviously to drive. Same width as your tow vehicle. Tires follow in the same path as your tow vehicle.
And this is really light, right?
Yes.
I mean, this is, was it about 3,500 pounds?
3,600 pounds dry, 4,400 pounds load.
Super.
Then we have the screen door on the front, and should we go inside?
Absolutely.
Okay, great.
Oh, wow.
So the floor plan is always going to be the kitchen, living room, bathroom, and bedroom. And this is our Frontier Edition, so you can see we have that beautiful two-tone wood, which is our first time doing two-tone wood inside. This has every option there is, so MSRP on this will be just under $280,000. 2-burner cooktop, drawer fridge with freezer, lots of storage as well. 3-in-1 convection oven, convection microwave, and air fryer. That's going to be the integrated Starlink component. We have a lashing system, so we have that front door, but you can load a lot of gear that way. Bikes, paddle boards, all of that can come right in through the front door and be secured. We then have our living room here, so we've got the sofa and the dinette. All of our storage is going to be down low, and that's by design.
Really?
Low center of gravity, low, really great handling, and then it also means it's open, so you don't have those shelves up at the top giving a really open feel.
Yeah, I love the two-tone. That's a great look.
Skylights, and then the bathroom, as we go back, works by opening both of the big doors at the same time. So I'm going to open this one and then open that one.
Oh, look at that.
I'll have to grab this after.
Want to get in here with the camera? I'm going to step out, give you room.
Thank you.
Yeah, go ahead. And you guys only it's only direct from the manufacturer, right? There's no dealer network.
No, we sell direct. We have a showroom in Santa Barbara. Yeah, and you can configure to order. So we have a configurator on our website, and you can decide what options.
That's crazy.
Yeah.
That's beautiful. Yeah, you know, when you first see it, I mean, you immediately think Airstream because there's a steel. This is no Airstream.
No, and Bowlus obviously predates Airstream.
Yeah,
as
this
well,
is no Airstream.
That important history.
This is really amazing, actually.
And then bedroom in the back, so that beautiful two-tone walnut and birch, really looking gorgeous back there. And then we have the king bed set up, but it also can be changed into the twins.
Very nice.
And then this is a Four Seasons RV, so all of our water systems, our water tank is
Put it
inside
all
the
underbelly
shell.
heli?
Yeah, inside the shell, actually.
Okay.
And so as long as your heating is kept on.
And how does it heat? Does it use a
hydronic heating
hydronic
system?
heating,
Yeah,
okay.
which is also has
Yep.
in-floor heating system.
Yes.
So really fantastic for winter camping, and we certainly have a lot of our owners that are camping in the winter, Vermont, Colorado,
Yep.
and really
Yeah, I see that you got the Aldi there.
Yes,
I just
yes.
noticed it. And this has a power package in it, right?
Yes, this has our biggest power package.
Right. That's amazing.
Which is 19 kilowatt hours.
And how is air conditioned?
Yeah, so we use it. We don't put it on the roof because of all of the aerodynamic reasons, but we do have it below here, and then it's vented to all three rooms. So you'll see the vent right here.
Oh, yeah,
and then there's one in the toilet room and one in the bedroom. And it also runs off the battery.
Absolutely gorgeous. Very gorgeous. All right. Awesome. Okay. Okay, this is Luke from RV Habit. This is, I gotta tell you, you gotta look at it. This is actually a breathtaking RV. I mean, it's, you know, it's upscale. Obviously, it's an expensive trailer, but it really is. You gotta walk in one. It is truly amazing. But as always, thanks for watching. We'll see you soon.